Next, bringing the legs together. Hands below the shoulders. We're going to use the lower back muscles to lift the legs all the way up into Salabhasana.
अध्यास्य शेते करयुग्मवक्षो भूमिम् अवष्टभ्य करयोस्तलाभ्यां पादौ च शून्ये च वितस्ति चोर्ध्वं वदन्ति पीठं शलभं मुनीन्द्राः.
Release. Bend the knees. Hold the feet behind you. You're going to lift the toes towards the sky, lifting the heart into Dhanurasana.
प्रसार्य पादौ भुवि दण्डरूपौ करौ च पृष्ठे धृतपादयुग्मं कृत्वा धनुस्तुल्य विवर्तिताङ्गं निगद्य योगी धनुरासनं तत्.
Release. Knees together. Elbows on the ground. Hands by your cheeks. You're going to bend the knees. Sulasana.
कूर्पराभ्याम् अवनिम् अवष्टभ्य हस्ततलाभ्यां हनुम् अवष्टभ्य उत्तिष्ठेत् शूलासनं भवति.
Bring the hands by the feet, elbows pointing up, Ushtrasana.
शेते पदयुग्म व्यस्तं पृष्ठे निधायापि धृतं कराभ्याम् आकुञ्चयेत् सम्यगुदरस्य गाढम् उष्ट्रं पीठं योगिनो वदन्ति.
Hands below the shoulders, lift yourself up into Bhagasana. Bhagasana. Hands on the knees.
उल्टा मोड़ी पाव दो बैसे बहुरो जुगति करे एक ऐसे पावन महिला गुल्फ जो होऊ कुला पाख तिलावे सोवूर पिष्टि पग थल्याम की पुनी जोई हाथा सो मोड़े वह सोई ताको जंघ निके ढगिल्यावे तासो तिन की पिष्टि लगावे.
Next, let's proceed with Gohyasana, strong foundation. Okay, so you're going to start with the foundation of touching the elbows on the ground and then interlacing the fingers in front of you. Strong foundation is essential. So remember, we're using the forearms as our foundation. All the weight is coming to the forearms, not the neck. Okay? Then you're going to bring the crown of the head on the ground, fingertips behind the head. You're going to lift the knees up and you're going to walk your toes forward, 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 stacking the hips over the shoulders. Once you're ready, you can bend the knees, keeping the knees close to you, toes pointing up into Gohyasana.
दोवू हाथ कहुन्या स्योले कलाई हथेली आगुल्या की पीष्टी धरती टेके कलाई जुड़ीवा राशे कलाया की माहिली कानी माथो.
Beautiful. Stretch the legs up. Shirasasana.
विपरीतं मण्डलं च द्विधैव विदितं हिनः दण्डासनं द्विधा प्रोक्तं विपरीतोपवेशने सर्वाङ्गशीर्षभागास्तु षट्षष्टिः प्रथितास्तु ते.
Did everyone try Shirasasana? Only the female bodies in your moon cycle, you can avoid this. Okay, all the inverted asanas can be avoided if you're in your moon cycle. Other than that, please give it a try. Okay? So next, please partner up as we're going to enter into Vrikshasana 2 and Shibu Asana. Okay, this is where we stand on the hands and bringing the hips over the shoulders, stretching the legs all the way up towards the sky into Vrikshasana 2.
सप्तचक्रक्षालनाय वृक्षासन विशेषकान् जननेन्द्रियदार्ढ्याय कोणभेदान् समभ्यसेत्. दोवू पग जोड़ी माही गुल्फ मिलाई उभौ होई दोवू हाथ जोड़ी संपूट करे आकाश दिस सुधो पसारे मस्तक शवाची राशे दृष्टि त्रिकुटी आसन सुतेज बधे.
Awesome. Rudrakanyas and Rudras, just observe the safety of all the participants in this asana, Shibu Asana. So it is said in the scriptures that this asana, called Vrikshasana, strengthens the reproductive organs also, apart from the multiple benefits of an inverted asana. Okay? Remember that we are the wax of Sadashiva. We're made of the same as Sadashiva. And come back to your mat. Did you help your neighbor? Did your neighbor help you? Awesome. Did you feel good in the asana? Awesome. Okay, very good. Very good, very good. Come back to your mat. Let's continue. Let's continue. Now we're going to be seated. We're going to proceed now to the sequence of strengthening the core, preparing us to the next asana. So we're going to bring the heart lifted, knees towards your chest. As we stretch the legs, bringing the hands behind the knees, keeping the legs straight, toes pointing up, lifting the heart, bringing the head as close to the knees as possible into Fodhyasana.
दोऊ हाथ पग बाहर आने गोड़ा तरे कागसी ठाने अंगुष्ठ पिंडली लगता धरे चरण उभे आकाश दिसी करे पुष्टिरुकूला धरती लावे उदर संकोच ऊर्ध्व ठहरावे गोड़ा शीस भी थंबन करे इह विधि फोद्यासन धरे.
Release. Sumatyasana.
मूलद्वारि धरती परिठाने डावा पग परिदक्ष पद आने डाई पाख कोले आवे हाथ एक अंतर ठहरावे दोऊ येडी ते के ऐसे आड़ो वाई राखो तैसे फणा जुगम उभा कर राखे गोड़ा दोऊ उभा राखे.
Next. We're going to lift the arms all the way up, holding the elbows, and you're going to stretch the legs all the way up into Parigasana.
उत्तानं शयनं कृत्वा पादौ मिलित्वा प्रसार्य नितम्बं भूमौ स्पृष्ट्वा हस्ताभ्यां कन्धरां बद्ध्वा कुम्भकं कृत्वा तिष्ठेत् परिघासनं भवति.
Great job, everyone. Very good. Now we're going to proceed into Rudrasana. Here we're going to bring the feet together, and from the inside out, we're going to hold the feet together close to the heart, as close as possible, lifting the spine into Rudrasana.
पगथली संपुट करी हाथ स्यो पग ऊंचाई पगा का अंगूठा दो उलेवु परली का निताल वे लगावे पछे दो हाथ पगा माहे करी नीचे करी चीरे आणी पगा की आगल्या काकसी करे दृष्टिना सा अग्र.
And release. We're going to proceed into Vrishikasana. So you're going to lay down on your back. Lay down on your back. You can bring the feet and you can kind of cross the feet. As you inhale, take the arms above the head. Bend the fingers. Okay? And you're going to lift the head and the shoulders up from the ground into Vrishikasana.
वृश्चीव पुच्छ प्रतिमाङ्घ्रिपार्ष्णि धृत्वा स्वशीर्षे चिबुकं निधार्यकौ यत्रेति संतिष्ठति साधकस्त्वविषावहं वृश्चिकसंज्ञमासनम्.
Switch the legs. Keep lifting, strengthening the abdominal muscles, awareness in that area. Just keep having the will persistent, Vrishikasana.
वृश्चीव पुच्छप्रतिमाङ्घ्रिपार्ष्णि धृत्वा स्वशीर्षे चिबुकं विधार्यकौ यत्रेति सन्तिष्ठति साधकस्त्वविषावहं वृश्चिकसंज्ञमासनम्.
And release. Great job. You're welcome. Next, Unmukha Pitta Asana. So keeping the feet on the ground, knees up. You're going to lift the hips up as high as you can. You can adjust the shoulder blade so that you can go a little bit higher.
ऊर्ध्वे च जानुनी कृत्वा शयित्वोर्ध्वमुखं तथा उत्थाप्य हस्तौ तिष्ठेत्तु पीठमुन्मुखनामके.
Okay, and slowly release. You're going to bring the hips down, and again you're going to lift the hips up, bringing the hands below the hips. Bringing the hands below the hips. So you're holding the hips with your hands, and then you're going to stretch the legs all the way forward into Uttana Kipi Pitaka Asana.
जङ्गोरुबलहीनश्चेत् उत्तानशिखिपीठकम् अप्रमत्तः प्रकुर्वीत भुक्तेः प्राग्विजितेन्द्रियः.
Next, lift the hands and bring the hips all the way down. You're going to lift the legs all the way up, up, up into Viparita Kadani. So lift the hips up, and you're going to place the hands on the ground away from your body as you keep the hips up as high as you can into Viparita Kadani.
करणी विपरीताख्या सर्वाधिव्याधिनाशिनी नित्यम् अभ्यासयुक्तस्य जाठराग्निविवर्धनी आहारा बहवस्तस्य सम्पाद्याः साधकस्य च.
So Viparita Karani, it mentions in the scripture that if you're having any digestive issue, this will strengthen your digestive system and will be able to help you digest anything that you eat. Okay, it will strengthen your digestive system tremendously. So this is something to be done in that case also. Now let's proceed to the next asana. Let's proceed as you bring the toes on the ground above the head. And cross the ankles and enter into Chakrasana.
शवासनस्थद्वौ पादकुर्यात् मस्तकतः परौ व्युत्क्रमेण ततः शीघ्रं एतत् सर्वस्य साधनं चक्रासनं गुल्मप्लीह वातरोगादिनाशनम्.
Let's proceed now by holding the toes of your feet and separating the legs wide apart into Supta Konasana.
परिवृत्तिः कुक्षिभागे त्रिधा हि परिकीर्तितः बद्धकोणं सुप्तकोणं ऊर्ध्वकोणं अथापि च.
Now bringing the feet together, together. Bring the hips down towards the ground into Sayita Paschimottanasana.
तानं शयित्वा तु कुर्वीत शयितपश्चिमतानकम्.
Legs close to your body as much as possible. Next, now you're going to release the feet. You're going to stretch the arms by your sides, keeping the knees close to your chest and the soles of your feet towards the sky into Kocha Chikasana.
दोवू हाथ चीदासा करे तिनसो उभे ईस पकड़े पग ऊंचाई आगाने आने बहुरी जुगति ऐसीक विधि ठाने.
And then hold the big toes with the index and middle fingers. Stretch the legs up, keeping the knees straight into Supta Padangushtasana. Legs up, straight and together. Yes, Supta Padangushtasana.
उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचिं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्ठप्रसारणे.
Next, separate the legs wide apart into Supta Prasarita Padangushtasana.
उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचिं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्ठप्रसारणे.
And next, we're going to release the legs and bring in the hips as high as you can. As high as you can. Hips high into Sarvangasana. Toes towards the sky. You can support the hips with the hands, but keep the hips above the shoulders into Sarvangasana.
अथ वक्ष्येऽत्र संक्षेपात् सर्वाङ्गासनमुत्तमं यत्कृत्वा योगनिपुणो विद्याभिः पण्डितो यथा. अधो निधार्य शीर्षं च ऊर्ध्वपीठद्वयं चरेत्. पद्मासनं तु तत्रैव भूमौ कूर्परयुग्मकम्.
And slowly release. As you bring vertebra by vertebra all the way down, you're going to cross the legs into Ardha Padmasana or Padmasana. And bringing the hands behind the shoulder, behind the spine, behind the back, you're going to enter into Nagarasana.
नग्र आसन प्रथम पद्म आसन कोठाने दोवू हाथ पाछाने आने पाद अंगूठा पकड़े आणी सोवे कहुन्या कूल्या पाणी गोड़ा जंघ अग्र को दाखे मस्तक सो समसूधो राखे नासा अग्र दृष्टि को धरे आसन नग्र ईसी विधि करे नासा रोग जूना रहे विशाली पीनस जो ये जुखाम आदिक सब हरे नाग्रासन गुण सोय.
And release. You're going to now bring the arms above the head, touching the elbows above the head, keeping the legs in cross-legged position. Enter into Matsyasana.
मुक्त पद्मासनं कृत्वा उत्तान शयनं चरेत्. कूर्पराभ्यां शिरो वेष्ट्य मत्स्यासनं तु रोगः.
And release. You're going to now stretch the left hand all the way up into Padasuramasana. Up means on the ground above you. Yes. Padasuramasana.
प्रथम करे पद्मासन आछे सूधो सोवे भूपरि पाछे गोड़ा अरुजंघा ये दोवू भूसो लगता राशे सोई दोवू हाथ मस्तक दिस धारे लाबाम भूसो लगत पसारे बहुरि जुवाम हसत में हसत है जासो दछि हथेली पिष्टि जुतासो.